Welcome to the 3 most important questions to ask when comparing alternative e-bike kits. So take a seat and enjoy this short journey. So what are the 3 key questions? Just remember the 3 Ps. Our first question is price. How much does the e-bike kit cost? SmartFit e-bike kits come in at half the price of a Swytch kit. So ask yourself, how can I justify the extra cost? Secondly, how powerful is the e-bike kit? Check the battery power to gauge how long you will ride for. SmartFit e-bike kits come in at 5.8 amp hours, whereas Swytch kits come in at only 5.2. That's 10% less. Finally, post. When can you have your e-bike kit delivered? Swytch kits are currently inviting you to sign up for future deliveries. The SmartFit, happily, is stocked in the UK, so you can receive your e-bike kit tomorrow. So, there you have it. The 3 key questions to ask when comparing e-bike conversion kits. Remember the 3 Ps. Price, power and post. Choose wisely.